Alright guys, so I'm gonna be doing a tutorial of how to export sounds to PixiTracker. So just go to a random video
Sound.
and then you just go to the part you want.
Too high. Perfect.
And then you just screen record. And make sure for when you screen record the sound, turn off your mic.
I can't lay it down. I don't know what to say. Maybe use it as a helicopter. What? I can't hear you. Maybe use it as a helicopter. Oh, okay. That's
Alright, once you recorded that clip, you go to your photos and click this button, click save to files, and then just whatever file you want, I don't know. And then you go to Chrome or whatever browser you use, and go to, just search convert to WAV. You can use really anything. I use online convert. And you choose your file. And then you look for the recording. Now it should just be named like replay final whatever. You should be able to tell by the thumbnail. And you click open. And then click start. It's gonna process it. And then you click download. Download. Then you click open in, save to files, then go to PixiTracker and click save. And then you go to PixiTracker, the app, and then just like make a new file, then click load sound, and it should be there.
Oh, okay.
Then you can optimize it to trim it, normalize it, do whatever. Yeah, that's how you export sounds into PixiTracker. Okay, Bubba.